How not to be a complete GitHub idiot. So I spent 3 weeks building the technology of the future, and this was supposed to change the world. I even added never been added secret, innovative, cutting edge things to it, and it even had dark mode. But then guess what I did? I deleted the whole thing by accident like a freaking jackass. And therefore, I decided to stop being a caveman and learn GitHub. You see, GitHub is like that friend who saves your embarrassing texts so you can regret them later, but in a good way. It keeps every version of your code, so even if you break everything, you can go back to when life made sense. And therefore, I can now mess up my code on purpose like a pro. Hey, and we can even totally steal, clone other people's code and, work over it. Make it better for the world to be a better place. Forget it. So let's learn GitHub basic stuff. So step 0, that is to first make your account on GitHub. And obviously, I'm not going to teach you that because, come on, it's basic stuff. Just like starting an account on any other platform. You know how to create accounts on Insta and TikTok? Same shit. Go figure it out. Now, let's create something called the repository. Think of GitHub repository like your save game folder, alright? When you're playing a game and you save before doing something really, really stupid? Yeah, that's what a Git repo is, but for your crappy, amazing code. So let's create one by going to repositories and clicking on new. So we give it a name, $1 Million Project, and a description, mission freedom from rat race. Choose public or private. Public is visible to everyone. Private is visible only to you, baby. Check initialize this repository with a README. This file contains details about your project. Click create repository and boom, you have created your own project. Congrats! So you finally have your world-changing, amazing little project. Now what? You think it's just gonna run by itself? No, now comes the hard part, making a commitment. You wanna make changes? Then you gotta commit, alright? Like the great poet Beyonce once said, if you like it, then you should put a ring on it. If you like it, then push your what the fuck? So click the damn edit icon on readme.md and add this line. Author, Lord Ajinkya Naik. The spellings, oh god, screw numerology. Even I don't know how many A's and K's and Y's and A's I got in my name. Then hit that juicy commit changes button like you're finally ready to stop ghosting someone, and boom, you're basically married now. Are we boyfriend and girlfriend? Do I need to tell my ma? So what the hell is commit anyways? So here's how the chaos actually works in Git. First, you stage the changes. That's like telling your friends, hey, I might propose. Might. Then you commit them. That's the wedding phase. No takebacks, full panic mode. We are going all the way. It's like taking a screenshot of your code and writing, that's how I met your mother, and that's where I ruined everything forever. So yeah, Git is basically your toxic relationship history, but organized. Alright, now let's move from your cloud to your local machine. Local machine, you say? Your crappy little laptop that crashes every time you open Chrome. So step 1 out here is to download VS Code. I've already downloaded mine. It's free, it's fancy, it's what all the cool nerds use. If you're still using Notepad, just stop. Just stop! You're embarrassing me. Then install Git. If you're on Windows, go install Git for Windows. If you're on Mac, oh wow, look at you, Mr. Fancy Fruity boy. Just open terminal, it's already there, show off. Now open VS Code, open the folder where your project lives, like GitHub demo or whatever genius name you came up with. And inside VS Code, open the terminal and type this, git -- version. If it gives you a version number, yay, you installed Git properly. You did one thing right. Go get yourself a cookie. Now the next step is to get your repo from GitHub. Go to your GitHub repo. Yes, that $1 million project you made with 4 lines of code. Click the green code button there. Copy the HTTPS link, and that's basically like the cheat code. Now in your terminal, type git clone and paste the link out here. And boom, you just cloned a repo. It's like downloading your hopes and dreams ready to be crushed locally. Haha. Congratulations. So here's how you navigate folders. So you want to navigate to your $1 million project, huh? Like, oh, look at me, I'm gonna code and become a tech billionaire. Well, guess what, genius? You gotta go inside the folder first. So for that, type this, CD $1 million project. If it doesn't work, congrats, you probably spelled something wrong, so go fix it. Next, let's see what's in the folder, and for that type ls. That's short for list, or in my world, show me the garbage that I'm pretending to understand. Now, you want to see the secret files like some hacker in a hoodie, then type ls-a. Or in my case, since I'm using a PowerShell, ls-force. Now you'll see the creepy little dude .git. Yeah, that's the Git goblin. It lives in your folder and tracks everything you do. Like, oh, you changed a comma? Logged. You deleted a line? Nice try. Logged. You cried for 20 minutes and did nothing? Yeah, that's logged too. So yeah, Git basically is your clingy ex, and it never forgets. Now, here's how to make a change. So alright, buckle up because now we are actually going to make a change. Oh, look at you, Mr. Developer, making changes and all now. What's next? Saving the world with paragraph tags? So for that, first create a file. Call it index.html. Because apparently that's what all websites start with. Why? I don't know. I didn't make the rules. Blame the nerds from 1996. Step 2. Add this super advanced, cutting-edge code. Hello world. I don't know why people are still using that. I'm gonna type, hello daddy. Wow, you just created a paragraph. Now go ahead and save it. You're officially a developer now. Alright, let's write something in the README too. Alright, now, you did some stuff, you added a new file, you changed the README, and now what you want to do is you want to check the status. Check what Gits think of all your hard work, huh? So for that, type git status. And boom, Git's like that nosy neighbor who saw you take out that trash in your underwear. It exposes everything. Here's what you'll see. Modified readme.md, yeah, because you edited it like a champ or messed it up, I don't know. And then you'll see untracked index.html. It's like, oh, what is this? You never introduced me to this file. Who invited this guy? So untracked is basically Git telling you that Git doesn't know it exists. It's like bringing a stranger to Thanksgiving dinner and Git's just side-eyeing them the whole time. So yeah, if Git could talk, it'll be like, look, I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. Alright, time to finally tell Git what to shut up about. You've got changes, Git's whining, let's give it what it wants. So first, stage your files like you're prepping them for a performance review. For that, type git add index.html, and you can also type git add readme.md, but if you want to go full savage mode, type git add dot. What this does is it adds everything, even your shame. Now commit it like a boss. For that, type git commit -m. -m stands for message, and just type whatever message you want to type with it, like add new paragraph, and boom, it's done. You are committed. You are responsible now. This is your code, baby. Raise it well. And now you obviously skip over to GitHub, all excited, like, oh my gosh, let me see my masterpiece live. And there's nothing. No changes, it still holds the old files. What the actual fudge? I committed. I followed the steps. I even added a message, damn it. Yeah, well, guess what? You forgot to push. Because commits stay on your local machine. It's like, cool story, bro. You made a change, tell someone who cares. You didn't push it, I don't care. So how do you do that? How do you push a code? You've added, you've committed, you are feeling unstoppable, and now it's time to finally launch your genius into the cloud, to GitHub, to the world, to your 0 followers and a readme that says hi or something. Type this majestic command, git push origin main. And boom, you just told Git, send it, fire the missile, I don't care anymore. And then finally, your files show up on GitHub. Index.html checked. The updated readme.md file checked. Your self-worth, well, that's still pending. Congratulations, you just pushed a code like a real dev. You may refresh GitHub every 3 seconds now, to feel something. Yeah, I'm totally doing that as we speak. Now, here's a simple GitHub workflow I follow now for every project. Number 1, create a repo on GitHub. Number 2, clone it to your system. Number 3, make changes, add, edit files, do whatever you want. 4, check status using git status. 5, add tracked or untracked files with git add. 6, commit changes with a message using git commit. 7, push everything to GitHub using git push. And that's it. If you've ever lost your code or your mind, use Git. It's like an undo button for your project with receipts. Okay, look now. Technically, yeah, you could start right from your local machine to create files, commit them, and teleport all that code to GitHub using other top secret ninja commands. But that's a whole other lesson, all right? Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's first practice this, feel the chaos, break stuff. Let's be amazing. Okay, fine. I didn't animate that part because I ran out of energy and I wanted snacks, okay? Unless you really want that video, like you're frothing at the mouth for it, then yeah, sure, I'll totally make it. But that means one thing. You made it to the end of the video. You survived. You increased my retention rate, or whatever the hell that means in YouTube lingo. It sounds important. So here's the deal. Leave a comment saying, show me the local to GitHub magic, oh mighty chaotic sensei. And I'll make that video on it, pinky swear. Because deep down, I love to teach. I really do. Now, go break some stuff and use Git to fix it.